I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to turn off the 2-hour autoplay timer on Plex. Step 1. Open the Plex app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device and then tap your profile icon on this screen. A menu opens. Step 2. Tap Settings in this menu. Step 3. Tap Player Experience. The associated screen is displayed. Step 4. Tap Passout Protection. Passout Protection options are shown. Step 5. Tap to select Never. The 2-hour autoplay timer will be disabled on Plex going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.